Hello, I am Om Ankush Gade. Hello, and I am Om Rahul Ghatwar. So we have made this project of hydrogen fuel cell car. So this is our car. This is the water tank in which the water will be stored, and when the water is needed, it will get to this electrolyzer, and this electrolyzer will make the hydrogen and oxygen separated. In one tank hydrogen will be separated, and other the oxygen will be. And when we need to supply it to this hydrogen fuel cell, then the hydrogen will get divided into two parts, electrons and protons. The protons will pass through this membrane to the other side, which is of the oxygen, and it reacts with the oxygen and makes the water again, so that this water will be again passed to the for the process. But what about the electrons? Electrons will process for this external circuits and will charge the battery, and when this battery is charged, we can run the whole car. And if our car has more weight, then this system will not work of the fuel cell. So that's why we have added this H2IC engine, which is like to our traditional engine, and it combusts the hydrogen and oxygen, and it also produces the water, which is clean. So this is an electrolyzer which we have made over here. So as you can see over here, hydrogen level is given here. As you can see, the hydrogen level is increasing. It was 63 before, and it's now changing. So this is how our electrolyzer works. So as you can see over here, this is our diagram of electrolyzer. So at the positive, you will get the oxygen, and at the negative, we will get the hydrogen. There's a different advantages and disadvantages for this fuel cell and H2IC engine. So as you can see over, this working principle of this both are that hydrogen reacts with the oxygen to produce electricity in this fuel cell, and in the engine hydrogen is burned, means combustion is done, and the electricity is produced. Both main output is electricity. Emission is the water vapor only in the both. Efficiency of this fuel cell is 50 to 60%, but of this hydrogen engine is nearly 30 to 40% only. So fuel consumption in this fuel cell is very low, but in the engine it's very high. Maintenance, it's low because low moving parts inside this fuel cell, but as you know that in engine it has more working parts, so that's why in this engine the maintenance is high. And the technology, this technology is quite expensive, and this one is not so expensive, but as you know that our technology is getting evolved, so after some years this will be a cheap one only. So this is how our hydrogen fuel cell works. So hydrogen gets in, it gets divided into two parts, electrons and protons, and the protons passes through hydrogen oxygen side, and in the oxygen the water gets out, and with the electrons will process through external circuit, and this electricity will be produced. So thank you.